Hello friends, I am Rahul Gavande. Welcome to our channel Progressive Always. Dear students, in part 1 of this chapter, we studied some solved examples from the textbook and one activity. This is the part 2 of this chapter. In this part, we are going to study practice set 1.1. Now, first example of practice set is given based on activity. Example is here, complete the following activity to solve the simultaneous equations. Two equations are given. First equation, 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. Equation number 1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Equation number 2. It is given here, let's add equations 1 and 2. Why we have to add? We have to add because here 3y and here is also 3y and their signs are opposite. That's why we have to add them. If signs are given same, then we have to subtract. Here signs are already opposite, that's why we have to add them. Now again equation 1 and 2 are written here and here addition. Now as I told you that 3y minus 3y, that will get cancelled, means its value we get 0, and if it is cancelled, if we get here 0 value, no need to write, then there will be addition of only x variable. 5x plus 2x, what will be here then? 7x, addition of x variable. These two terms are cancelled, is equal to 9 plus 12, what will come here? 21. After that, transfer order, we have to transfer this 7 to right side. This 7 is here multiplied to x. After transformation, it will divide. Now x is equal to, here is box, then here is 21, and this 7 will come in the denominator after transformation. Next step, x is equal to, here division now, 7 3s are. In this way, we got value of x. X is equal to 3. Now we want the value of y. For that, place or sometimes put, or we can write substitute. Place x is equal to 3 in equation 1. Now equation 1 is here. 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. We have to replace, we have to place value of x here, means 5 multiplied by 3 plus 3y is equal to 9. We placed value of x here. Now 3y is this one, 3y is equal to, now one step is not given there, 3y is equal to 9 minus, here box, in box we have to write product of this, 5 3s are 15. 3y is equal to, now we have subtraction, 9 minus 15 minus, higher value sign we want, and 9 minus 15 how much? 6, minus 6, right? Now y is equal to, minus 6 divided by 3. This 3 here, after transformation it will come down, and now reduction by 3, 3 1s are 3 2s are minus 2. Therefore solution is xy in bracket, what is the value of x? 3, here we have to write 3, and y value minus 2. In this way we got solution set. Dear friends, in practice set 1.1, first example we studied, that is of activity base. Now second example is solve the following simultaneous equations. Now two equations will be given to us and we have to solve it, means we have to find the values of x and y or whichever variable, because variable will change. Now here in this example, 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. a plus 5b is equal to 22. These are two equations and here variables are a and b. I write both the equations again in the solution by giving them numbers 1 and 2. First equation I write 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. Here I give it number 1. Second equation I write down here a plus 5b is equal to 22. Equation number 2. Now dear friends, you have to observe both the coefficients carefully. First you see their coefficients, second you see their signs. That is very important. When we eliminate any variable, either a or b, for that we want equal coefficients. If they are not equal, we have to equate them. Means first of all we have to see their coefficients. After coefficient we have to see their sign. For elimination we want always opposite sign. Not same. Opposite means plus minus. In this way. Now here you see, as I told you, first of all you see their coefficients. If they are already equal, very good, that is easy for us. But if they are not equal, we have to equate. Now let's see here in this example, coefficient of b is 5, coefficient of b is 5 in both the equation. That's why first step is easy for us. Already coefficients are equal. Now we have to see their signs. We want signs opposite. Now here see, sign of this is plus and sign of this is also plus. Means both the signs are same. We want opposite sign. And now if we want opposite sign, then we have to subtract. We have to subtract. And when we subtract, we have to change the signs of second equation. Now here, what we have to do, which process we have to do here, addition or subtraction? We have to subtract them. Subtracting. And when we subtract, automatically signs of second equation will change. Second equation, not of first, second equation. Now here original sign is plus, sign will change. It becomes minus. Original sign plus, new sign minus. Original sign plus, new sign minus. Always change the signs of second equation. Now let's see. 5b, here new sign. Consider new sign now, not the original, new sign. 5b minus 5b, 0. And that's why I cancel it. Value 0. Now process here. 3a minus 1a, here is 1, coefficient of a is 1. 3a minus 1a, 2a. These terms are cancelled. Is equal to, here also 26 minus 22, 4. Now it is easy. A is equal to 4 divided by 2. A is equal to 2. We got the value of first variable, that is a. Now we want the value of b. For that, place this value in equation 1 or 2. Either in 1 or in 2. In any equation you can put. Which equation is easy? I think second. In 1 also you can put, no problem. Put a is equal to 1, a is equal to 2. In equation which? In equation 2. I place that value in equation 2. A plus 5b is equal to 22. Now I place this value here. 2 plus 5b is equal to 22. 5b is equal to 22 minus 2. 5b is equal to 20. Transfer 5 to right side. b is equal to 20 upon 5. b is equal to 4. 5 4s are 20. Here we got second variable b. Therefore, solution is now, in bracket, first write a value 2, 4. That is the solution of this example. Dear friends, we studied example number 1. Now let's see the example number 2. In example number 2, again two equations are given. In solution, I write them by giving numbers. X plus 7y is equal to 10. I write here equation number 1. 3x minus 2y is equal to 7, equation number 2. Now observe their coefficients first and then their sign. For elimination we need coefficient same and opposite sign, that is the condition. First of all, see coefficients. Here coefficient of x is 1, here coefficient of x is 3, here coefficient of y is 7, and here coefficient of y is 2. Means here coefficients are not same, are not equal. We have to equate them. Now which variable can we equate? We can equate any variable. We can equate x or y. That is our wish, our choice. Now, but generally, which variable can we select for elimination? Then the variables having opposite signs we select for elimination, because that is easy for addition. No need to change the signs. Direct addition we can do. Therefore, select the variables with opposite sign, and here opposite signs are of variable y. Therefore, here we equate the coefficients of y. How to equate? That is very easy. Just you have to interchange their coefficients. Equation 1, here equation 1 multiply by coefficient of y of second, means by 2, and equation 2 multiplied by coefficient of y of first, means 7. Interchange the coefficients of y. Equation 1 multiplied by coefficient of y of second equation 2. Understood? Equation 2 multiplied by coefficient of y of first is 7. Now let's multiply. Equation 1 multiplied by 2. Here, here and here. 2 1s are 2x plus 2 7s are 14y is equal to 10 2s are 20. We multiplied by 2 to equation 1. Now equation 2 multiplied by 7, here equation 2 is here, multiplied by 7 to these coefficients. 7 3s are 21x minus 7 2s are 14y is equal to 7 7s are 49. Now see coefficients. Coefficients are same now. We have equated them, 14y, 14y. After equating the coefficients, you see their signs. We want always opposite signs. Now here you see plus minus means opposite. And when there are opposite signs, we have to add them. We have to add. And when we add, no need to change the signs. We change the signs when we subtract. Now here, when we add 14y minus 14y, we will get cancelled because its value is 0. Is it right? And now, add them. 2x plus 21x, value we get 43x. No? 2x. 2x plus 21, 23x. 23x is equal to 20 plus 49, 69. Now transfer this value here. 69 upon 23. X is equal to, value is 3. We got first value, that is of x. This value is 3. Now we want the value of y, second variable. For that, put this value in equation 1 or 2. Here I write. Put x is equal to 3 in equation. In which equation do you want to put? 1. I put that value in equation 1. Again you write down equation 1. X plus 7y is equal to 10. Now place value of x here. 3 plus 7y is equal to 10. Transfer 3 to right side. 7y is equal to 10 minus 3. 7y is equal to 10 minus 3, 7. Y is equal to 7 upon 7. Y is equal to 1. In this way we got both the values, and therefore here solution is in bracket value of x 3 and value of y 1, 3 1. This is the solution of this example. Now two examples we studied. Let's see the example number 3. Example number 3 is here. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. Equation 1. 2x plus y is equal to 13. Equation number 2. Observe coefficients and then sign. The variable of which coefficients are same. 2x, 2x. Coefficients of x are equal. Right? That's why now we select x for elimination. Okay? Now sign. If we select x for cancellation, x for elimination, we want their signs opposite, and now here signs are same. We want opposite, and if you want opposite sign, subtract. Therefore here we have to subtract now for opposite sign. Subtracting, change their signs now. Original sign plus, new sign minus. Here original sign plus, new sign minus. Original plus, new sign minus. All the signs are changed of second equation. Now 2x minus 2x value 0, that's why I cancel here because value 0. Now here minus 3y minus 1y, same sign, addition, higher value sign. Now add them, 3 plus 1, 4y, and higher value sign minus. Minus 3y minus 1y minus 4y is equal to 9 minus 13. Different signs are different. Subtract, and higher value sign minus, and subtract. What is the subtraction? 4. Now on both sides there is negative sign, both sides, and if we divide by minus 4, if we divide by minus 4, signs will be cancelled. Or here we can write as, you can take out minus sign from both the sides. Take out both negative signs from here and here. 4y is equal to 4. Now transfer, y is equal to 4 upon 4. Y is equal to 1. We got the value of one variable, that is y. Now to find the value of x, place this value in equation 1 or 2. Put or place or substitute y is equal to 1 in equation 2. Second equation, 2x plus y is equal to 13. Put this value here. 2x plus 1 is equal to 13. 2x is equal to 13 minus 1. 2x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 divided by 2. X is equal to 6. This is the value of second variable, and therefore solution is now 6 in bracket 1. That is the solution of this example.